Good morning, sixth graders. I'm going to go over what's going to be on your quiz for our very last lesson in Chapter 10, Lesson 6. So we're almost done. Yay! Okay, so some things that we need to know for this quiz. It's going to be 5 multiple choice questions. So one of the first things that you need to know about is cement. So the Romans invented cement, which allowed their buildings to be very sturdy and they lasted a very long time. So cement's really important for that. If they hadn't been for cement, a lot of the Roman buildings that we still get to look at today probably wouldn't be here. The other big thing when it comes to buildings with the Romans is their use of vaults. So by building with vaults, it allows them to make very large buildings that they wouldn't have been able to make if they weren't constructed in that particular way. So those are two things for as far as their building materials that you guys need to know about for your quiz. The other thing that you guys need to know about is looking for languages. Romance languages. Here we go. So, as we know, the Romans spoke Latin, but what you also need to know is Latin later evolved into a lot of languages that people around the world speak today, and ones that you guys are even learning. So languages like Spanish, French, Portuguese, Romanian, those are all descendant of the Latin language, so they're considered Romance languages. So when you guys get into high school, if you take a different language other than Spanish, let's say you take French, you'll notice that there are a lot of words that are similar, and that's because French and Spanish are both derived from the same Romance language, from Latin. So you guys need to know that for the quiz as well. And the last two things that you guys need to know is you need to know what civil law is. They already highlighted it for you. Civil law is basically a legal system based on a written code of laws. Our legal system is very much like that as well. We have, a code of laws that we follow. And then for last thing, for history, trying to find where it says. You just need to know that what did Greek historians or Roman historians write about? Well, they wrote about how the empire and the republic changed over time. And because the Roman Empire lasted for so long, we have lots of different historians and their accounts of different parts of the Roman Empire, which is why we're able to study it so extensively today. And those are the 5 things that you need to know for your quiz. I'll also put this into a PDF form, so you can just look at the PDF while you are taking the quiz. So your quiz is going to be on Thursday. And like I said, it'll just be 5 multiple choice questions. So if you guys have any questions or you need any help, please email me. And if you are missing anything from any of my classes, quizzes, tests, homework, it's not too late to turn it in. I would definitely focus on quizzes and tests if you're missing those, because those are really going to be hurting your grade. And everything's open book, open review. If you can't find the review, email me and I can tell you when I posted it, or I can send it to you. Okay, I want you guys to do well on these. So if you have any questions about your missing work, email me as well. I hope you guys are doing well. Bye.